Bro, how is the feeling in boat jetting?
Damn nice, bro, and damn cheap also.
Yeah, damn cheap.
Yes.
It's
4 rupees.
Look at that chip. Chip.
and non-AC.
There's AC also.
No, it's not AC. There is AC.
Hey, there is AC.
Yeah, there is AC. AC is 20 rupees and non-AC is 10 rupees.
Why do you want AC here?
I know, right?
Should-
It's nice. It's damn nice. The weather and everything. Just the views from your point. It's so cool. Oh, Fox, good. Look at that chip. There you go.
San Andreas ಸೇಮ್ San Andreas ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ. Bro, I took cycle here only last time. Alice rent a cycle. Yeah.
Oh, damn nice. Bro, we'll go, bro.
Go to all the places, okay?
It's damn nice.
Hey, this is damn cool, bro. Play. So we are in Bright Hotel. So we found some wildlife, Bright Heritage Hotel, and Shloka found some wildlife here.
This insect which bites.
Yeah,
Which
this is one of the insect, and I killed one mosquito here. Hamaz is complaining in phone. Oh, there's a falcon also. I'll show you one awesome wild creature. It's inside AC. Hey, it's a dragon sibling.
Show him all the insects and everything. I'll come. We'll show him all the insects and everything, then we'll go.
We decided to shift to another room.
Careful.
Till what time is there?
So guys, this is a restaurant which is above our hotel room. The down part is the hotel and above is this Shisha at Fort Cochin. So guys, welcome back to our channel. You're watching V4 Vloggers. So let's start a proper vlog from now. I'm in Fort Kochi with my friends, and this is the central circle which is there in Fort Kochi. Like after the food, we came through the jetty, Ernakulam jetty. That's a ferry which leads to the island Fort Kochi. So I think we are going to a restaurant right now. Bro, what's the restaurant name which we are going now?
Seagull.
Seagull. What style is this, bro? What style of clothes is this?
All in linen, so I think they are.
Yeah. Ask what material?
It's linen, bro.
So this linen clothing is quite expensive.
What was the price of the dress? Linen.
What's the basic price, bro? Which we saw?
8.5K. One kurta starts with 8,000
Huh.
and a shawl for 4,500.
Bro, my leather jacket is some 8K, bro. So guys, we are finally in Seagull. Bro, psych, bro.
Nice, no?
Sea view from here. Oh, see this, bro. Full everything
They made
open.
this thing a design element.
So guys, we are waiting in this mid table because we didn't get the table beside the sea.
But we will get it. We'll wait for it, but we'll finally
Yeah.
get it.
Bro, tell me something about the menu. I found chitrana, bro, lemon rice. What's the price?
Lemon rice,
160. Bangalore, it's 30 rupees, bro. They give extra chutney also.
So the seafood is pretty cheap. Don't you think so?
The sea is beside us. They'll catch from here. They'll put one hand and they'll get. So finally, we got the table. This is the view we were waiting for. Bro, you can jump into the sea, bro, from here. There's no railing also. There's one V for Vloggers fan from Kolkata. You wanna say anything?
Is this like a special appearance?
You're a fan girl.
She's spreading V for Vloggers in Kolkata.
Thanks to Jessica.
We are coming soon to Kolkata.
Yeah, very soon. Please do come. Okay, now ciao.
Bye.
अच्छा तो हम
Bro,
खाते
tell the
हैं।
name of this, bro.
Huh?
Tell the name of this prawn.
This one is prawn ullaturai.
Ullathurai. Ullathurai.
Ullaturai.
This is squid fry, right?
Squid butter garlic. Grilled squid butter garlic.
Grilled squid butter garlic.
Bro, can't wait for your video.
Ah,
I'm
okay.
sorry.